now I'm handing over the mic to Miss Kushali. तो खुशहाली के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. We're so excited. Yes, I know you're wondering why I'm calling you ma'am. So she's a fellow student, and sir, are you my junior? I cannot believe it. But yes, we were so happy to have you in college, and we're really excited for the film. And while most of us have seen it, there are still a few people here who wanted to see it first and hear you talk about it. So we get a fair idea about why it's been such a hit and talked about everywhere today. Now, to give you all a little gist, which you actually do not need, there's no need of introduction here, but Ayush sir here was in the very famous 2018 film Love Yatri, and while we were all wondering when we'll get to see you back on stage, back on the screen, we know that now that you were preparing for the film Antim, and the way it was always college has the maximum amount of energy, and why all the wonderful guests like yourself, sir, and ma'am, would like to come here again and again and again. So, is there something we'd be lucky to hear from you? Is there something you'd like to share about the film, both of you? What's up, Thakur?
I am so happy to be back, and nothing beats the feeling to be back here and promote our very own film, Antim. So, क्या अंतिम देखेंगे कि नहीं? Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for having us here. I am feeling so proud, and right now I am dealing with a lot of pride to be back at my very own college, and I'm just so happy. And right beside me is the star of the film, and that's Ayush Sharma.
What's up, Thakur College? Why are you guys behaving so much here? Like in college, we don't need to behave and all that. In college, have some fun. We need to enjoy ourselves. Don't worry, for the last 15 minutes, I was having a conversation with a beautiful principal, and I was asking ma'am, can we please break some discipline codes today? Because, yeah, so we were negotiating that for all of you so that you can have a lot of fun today. But most importantly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having us over. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. And thank you so much for a beautiful introduction. But most importantly, I am very happy here because, when we were shooting Antim, she used to keep talking about her, when she started when she was at the age of 9, and she was shooting, and she used to be in school, and she used to be traveling, and she used to come back for exams. And now she came to Thakur College, and she was constantly doing something or the other. And that really inspired me. Because most importantly, I would like to thank a beautiful principal, because sometimes what happens is that when we talk about acting, people always focus on education. They don't give the person a chance to go and act. And acting is always considered one of those, extracurricular things. So first of all, a big round of applause for your principal for giving Mahima this shot. Thank you so much. I will firstly say that you're promoting acting, you're promoting your career into acting, and we have an example right in front of us who has made it in Antim.
Well.
Are you all excited? Are you all ready? So guys, now we are playing the trailer of Antim, और इतनी जोर से ताली बजाओ कि सलमान सर चंडीगढ़ में हैं, तालियों की आवाज उन तक जानी चाहिए. So friends, here we have trailer of Antim, the final truth. And now 3 cheers for Ayush and Mahima. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Big role that you had. Now, how was the transition from being a romance hero to becoming a villain in the film? Was it a difficult transition for you, or was it as fun as the last time?
See, last time I had to dance a lot. This time I had to fight a lot, eat a lot, make a big body, and do everything that I'm not in real life. So I think it was very difficult for me to play this character, get into the script of this character, and understand because I'm not from Maharashtra. So I didn't know the whole idea, the language, the behavior and everything. But it was fun. I would say it was fun. And I think it was more fun because Megha Okana was there to Prabala song side.
Thank you, sir. And Mahima, what was your experience like? You know, like we want to know everything that you felt, what it was to constantly, you know, be in the hustle mode and going every day to these shoots. And I mean, just tell us what you felt and how was it a game changer for you in your career?
I think this is nothing less than a dream come true and a very big opportunity because I had an opportunity to start my Bollywood career with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, and this very amazing actor that we have to watch out for. So I had an opportunity where I could, make my transition from television to Bollywood, and I couldn't have had a better start. So it was amazing, and I feel really happy that I got to be a project which is a great script and बाकी तो सब लोग देख ही लेंगे.
Well, we have a couple of surprises planned for you from a little performance here and there from our very, very talented students who see you and get inspired every single day. So team, can we have our beloved guests please take their seats? Alright, before we start with our performances, can we have a huge round of applause once again for Ayush and Mahima? Alright, now the next performance is by a very, very talented young singer from our college. And I'm sure most of you heard him here in the mic. Wonderful. Thanks Vasu for soothing our ears because we really, really loved your performance, and I'm sure Ayush sir and Mahima did as well. And now it's time for the second surprise that we have in store, which is the performance, a dance performance by Gauransh. So we have Gauransh here on stage to woo us and the audience with the wonderful.
Honestly, I'm here to promote my film, but this song is quite a boring song to dance on. I just want to be honest. So, three cheers to this guy who has really made this song a very nice dancing song. I didn't know we can do a Michael Jackson. And your moves are fab, brother. I must tell you that. But anyway, still stream this song now.
I guess you guys already knew, right, that you were going to get this golden opportunity. While it looked very random, I'm sure they were preparing for days for this moment. So congratulations to you guys, right? They're socializing, let's give it a moment.
I was a very big introvert. So every time I used to come on stage, I would be like, I can't do anything, I can't dance, See where life has got me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, girls. We'll see you back on stage very soon, hopefully. Who have seen her and heard of her and, maybe been lucky to see her in college as well. Would you guys like to ask some questions to Mahima that you guys are dying to know from someone else? Scream louder because, oh my god, look at her, she's so beautiful. Rishi. Well, we want to know if anyone in the audience has something to ask her, and if not, it has to be you. Right? So, anyone wants to ask a question, please raise your hand. Oh, the girl that I see here in red, yes. Please,
Hello.
can we have a mic passed on to her?
Like, you have acted since a child. So how did you balance acting and education? Like, it wasn't it difficult? Like,
It was definitely not an easy task to simultaneously complete my studies and do what I was doing. But I think when you have such a great principal and such a great faculty to support you, life becomes easy. So I think I should thank them, Thakur College, Deepak sir, for making my school life, college life a lot more easier. So I think it was difficult, but I think you have to do what you have to do, man.
That, okay, so,
She really deserves this.
wow. It's always great to have a supportive team of friends, family, people around you, because when you're so passionate about something as Mahima is, it is impossible to go and grab it if nobody is there on your side. So I think a big shout out to you guys. Also, Rishi, is there something you would like to say?
Hi. So even I've come here in this auditorium after such a long time, and that's thanks to Mahima and thanks to Ayush for making such a wonderful movie. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mahima and Ayush here? So Mahima, I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people might know about Mahima or come to know about Mahima, but at the end of the day, she is the sweetest celebrity you will ever come across. And it takes a lot to be so popular, to work with such amazing and such beautiful people, and obviously to work with the man himself, Salman Khan, and still to be as grounded as Mahima. I think she just deserves a lot of applause for that. So it's really great, and all of us Mahima's friends, we're so proud of you, and we only want you to go up, but then again come back to this college every time you promote your movie. So yeah, once again guys, a huge round of applause to Mahima Makwana and Ayush Sharma. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mahima. It really was. And I just remember a glimpse where I was giving an exam paper next to her, and she will not ever make it obvious of the things that she does, and that is, I think, something that makes her really great. So, a huge round of applause for Mahima again, and we shall continue with the show further. Thank you very much. Alright, so while we all know that we are here today, not only because of our management team, our management of the college, but we are here for Team Tarangan. And there is something that we'd like Ayush sir and Mahima to see as well, along with you guys who've made Tarangan so very special. So we're here. Guys, can I have you all back on stage, please? Guys, chilana shuru rakho, sir is on stage. Right? We're proud to have him. We're excited to have him, and we need to show how excited we are because बहुत बैठ के घर पे लॉकडाउन में अब चिल्लाने का वक्त आ चुका है. Guys, can I have you on stage quickly, please? सर थोड़े से नर्वस है बच्चे हमारे क्योंकि आपके सामने बहुत लोग नर्वस हो जाते हैं.
मैम पहले मुझे सर पर बोलिए प्लीज. मैं बूढ़ा नहीं हूँ. मैं महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. जी बस 1 साल ही बड़ा हूँ. महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. That's it. Please सर पर बोलो.
Thank you, sir. Okay, we have our ladies back on stage. आप क्या कहते हैं? आप प्लान कर चुके हैं कि आपको इनके साथ करना है? ठीक है, चलिए आ जाइए. Please ask your questions one by one.
so what are your thoughts about the Festar? What are your thoughts about the Festar?
I think it's a beautiful festival. During my last film, I had gone to many colleges to promote, but this time around, I've come after the whole COVID situation. to come back to a college, to see this kind of warmth, to see this kind of love. I think it's beautiful, it's amazing, and I would really want to thank Mahima for suggesting that we should all come to Thakur College. And thank you so much, all of you, for having us over.
As Mahima ma'am was our college student and she described her feelings, would you like to describe your feelings about college life and like your some experience?
I would refrain from that because any suggestion I give, man will throw me out from here. Yeah. See, I was studying in JN College with my attendance not being 40% but being 18%. So, but I was lucky. I don't think 18% converts into becoming a movie star. No, please don't do that. Ma'am, sorry. I genuinely did spend too much time in college. I was chilling in Bombay. Well, that should not be the moral of the story.
Okay, I'm so sorry, but yeah. So आयुष, ये जो सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो तो आ गई, बट हमारे कुछ टीचर्स हैं जो आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हैं, एंड वहाँ पे टीचर ने बोला कि आयुष को पूछो कि उसके कॉलेज की एक मेमोरी बताए.
जी, मेरे लिए सबसे अधिक fond memory है because I was not from Bombay. I didn't grow up in Bombay. So when I got admitted to JM College, that time I remember there used to be a canteen. JM is a good canteen, and there used to be a guy called John. So I asked him, I was like, is your name real John? He said, no, my name is Rakesh. So I said, why people call you John? He said, because John Abraham used to sit here and have a dosa. And that's why I used to serve him, so I have been called John. So I remember that point of time, I felt one day there will be a guy who will say, I'm Ayush because he used to eat dosa here.
Oh my God,
I would like to really share a very personal memory because when I was in college, I remember in my first year there used to be an HOD called Mary Ma'am, and Mary Ma'am saw my horrible attendance, and she called me one day and she said, "Why are you in college? You don't want to study?" And I'm this 41 kilo boy, very thin boy, and she looked at me and she said, "Why don't you try acting?" And I looked at her and said, "Ma'am, me and acting? Look at me, I'm 41 kilos." So she said, "No, I think you can be an actor." So today, I really thank Mary Ma'am for giving me this dream, for making me pursue acting. And that's what I feel about our principal as well, who always supported Mahima. So I think somewhere down the line, we always look at teachers like, oh, it's all about education. But somewhere down the line, they help you also develop you as a person who you are in future.
Guys, इतनी प्यारी मेमोरीज सुनाई. जितनी टीचर्स है सब हाथ उठाओ, कमान. जितनी टीचर्स है सब जोर से तब तक ताली बजाओ. Ayush, one kind is towards all our lovely teachers.
Can I hug them instead?
Oh, that will be awesome.
Hello, madam.
I think this is the luckiest day for not only our students but our teachers. Getting a nice warm hug from Ayush sir.
Come on, guys.
Boys, sorry, unfortunately we cannot allow you to hug Mahima, okay? We're sorry if you're breaking her expectations. Yeah, she's thanking me. I was trying to no one.
we have a little cake cutting ceremony. So I would request Principal Ma'am also to join. Ma'am, please, it's a humble request. An appreciation for Ayush. एक बार जोरदार ताली आयुष शर्मा के लिए. Guys, इंडियन फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी में एक नए सुपरस्टार की एंट्री हो चुकी है और उनका नाम है आयुष शर्मा. And now, guys, I request Principal Mahima Bakwana. Guys, this being 24, so it's a huge celebration throughout the year, and we are so happy to have Ayush and Mahima with us on this particular stage. Guys, एक final बार and then we have cake cutting. So एक बार आयुष और महिमा की पूरी टीम के लिए, the SKF टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And एक बार उन सब कोविड वॉरियर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां जिन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट लिया. And now we have things up and running again. Come on guys, make some noise. So now, let's do the honors in Antim ka style! Principal ma'am wishes to speak something. So, Principal ma'am, over to you.
Yeah. So, good afternoon, all my students. Okay. So, we have Ayush and Mahima with us. I have something to say. Deepak had forgotten me, but I wanted to speak for Mahima. Ayush, please excuse me. You are also a very handsome boy. I bless you for that. महिमा मैं थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ. Mahima's attended where some of them don't give at all, doing nothing. She did lot, and then all the exams that she gave, she did it with flying colors. One incident I want to share with all of you. One day she came running to me. She missed one of the paper because of a shoot, and she was in all those dresses. और मम्मा के साथ आई है. इसकी मम्मी इससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Actually, her mother is more good looking than her, and she asked him, "Ma'am, can you help me with that exam?" The glitter and the tears that I saw in her eyes, I said, 100% I will allow you for the exam. And a separate paper was made, and she gave the exam. That's Mahima. Why I'm saying you is that? Why I'm saying you all is that she did lot for her family. She did lot for the society. She did lot for the college, and today she stands here. First, you require to do something to get something. So that's how Mahima. Hit me, hooray!
And of course, Principal Ma'am, और सब कुछ साथ से होता है. तो महिमा को अच्छे टीचर्स मिले और अब उन्हें आयुष का साथ मिला, सलमान सर का साथ मिला, and I'm sure उसके और भी अच्छे लोगों का साथ मिलेगा और वो इन सब के साथ, सलमान खान सर के साथ, आयुष सर के साथ जो अगली फिल्म बनाएगी, शायद अंतिम 2 आएगी या अंतिम 3 आए, 4 आए, 5 आए, and we want this अंतिम not to be the अंतिम film. This is just a beginning. Come on, make some noise for Ayush and make some noise for Mahima Bakwana.
और एक बात है. Monday को we got very excited. Early morning or for Sunday night, Deepak calls me and tells me कि सलमान खान आ रहे हैं. बोले क्या बात है? सलमान जी आ रहे हैं? ये तो खुशी की बात है. Immediately हाँ बोल दिया and all the started. Then I had a certain very important assignment yesterday at 4 o'clock. So I called him back and I asked, Deepak, if it is confirmed, I will cancel my assignment. He said, ma'am, just give me 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it was, no, he's not coming because of the COVID situation. And maybe protocol follow करने के लिए वो सब सारी ठाकुर विलेज, ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाती थी, इसके लिए वो रोकने के लिए didn't come. But let me tell you, जो भी सलमान खान के जो प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं, मैं भगवान को बहुत प्रार्थना करती हूँ, भगवान नहीं मिलते हैं. आज मुझे सलमान नहीं मिला, कहाँ से भगवान मिलेगा मुझे?
Ma'am, just a small request. I've been standing on stage and I feel very weird. Yeah, I don't like being here.
And this whole idea has been looking very cool to me, this student vibe.
If you allow, can I go there and take a selfie with everyone?